Do you want to know how you can log into your VIP payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your VIP payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, go to the search bar and search for VIP payroll login. Then scroll a bit down and click on this link which says VIP employee payroll login. After you clicked on this link, you can see that this is the official VIP employer portal login. Go ahead and write down your employee ID or your email address over here in the first box and go to the second box and write down your password. Make sure to check your password by clicking on this icon, and after your username and password it matches your employee account, go ahead and click login. This way you can successfully log into your VIP payroll account. You can also click on remember me, which is over here. So guys, this is how you log into your VIP employee portal account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.